can't really get in there to do that. That goes on first. I don't know, so there's a good side on that side, I think either side.
This side looks like it's...
I think you're gonna put your...
Oh, I gotta put that...
That
like,
goes on there like that.
So this is called...
That's a header.
A
It's
header?
a shorty header is what they call
Shorty
it.
header, and this is
Short
leading
tube.
to bigger exhaust.
It gets gives you better even airflow out of all the cylinders.
Okay. It's not actually an exhaust.
It is part of the exhaust.
Okay.
Is it hitting on anything down below? See, it looks like there's a lot of clearance.
Yeah, I think it's okay.
Because if you noticed on,
Should it not touch anything?
yeah, go ahead and push it in.
I mean, when
It
tilts,
is hitting on
could hit-
something.
Yeah, it hits the bolt on this side.
Well, oh, on the,
Oh, it's on, oh, no, it's on the frame. Yeah.
It's not gonna seal. It's hitting on that flange right there. Let's leave that one for now. Let's go over to the other side.
Same thing, or?
Yeah.
In the air, yeah, I feel it. You better believe it. When I low, yeah, we going high.
So, this stuff, does it have to get under this thing?
Yeah, that has to go in, yeah, the flange has to go behind it.
Gotta climb to the top, but we're never gonna stop. When I low, yeah, we going high. We're going high. We're going high. Yeah, we're going high. Yeah, 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 yeah.
I gotta grind this corner off.
This?
Yes, that's where it's hitting.
I mean, I'll try.
Try it and see, so you can get the feel for it. Push. There you go. This is scary. Don't be afraid, it's like wild.
Is it gonna just like go crazy? How's that?
More, lots more.
We're going high. Yeah, we're going high. Yeah, 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 yeah. In the air, yeah, I feel it. You better believe it. When I low, yeah, we going high. Gotta climb to the top. No, I'm never gonna stop. When I low, yeah, we going high.
Okay, why don't you say, are you hyperventilating?
I don't want to explode.
You're not, it's not gonna
You-
blow. There really isn't anything that will explode.
There's oil in the can.
Yeah, but it's all sealed up. And oil won't, you'd have to have a direct flame on it to get that to do anything.
I've seen
It's the
videos
gas,
in the
it's a gas spot down there that would really bother you. That's crude oil. This is refined.
You better believe it. When I low, yeah, we going high. Gotta climb to the top. No, I'm never gonna stop. When I low, yeah, we going high. I said I woke up, then I got down. I told you I don't play around. I'm coming, better watch out. I'm coming, you better watch out.
I had a
Doug loves being on camera.
What's that?
Doug loves being on camera.
Yeah, I read it. So I like it as much as you do.
Can we talk about Doug's facial hair right now?
No.
Let's do an online
Please,
poll. Should
Yeah,
Doug
should-
shave it into a mustache? Which I think,
I think I should just shave it all
let's do a
off.
mustache. Doug, it's fun.
The Fu Manchu style?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe next time.
Yes.